Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you how you can quickly and easily restore brass hinges such as this one. So the things you'll need to clean up your brass hinges, I've got a few items ready here. What you'll need is some metal polish. You could use something like Brasso. This is called Does It. There's a few different brands available but they all do pretty much the same thing. So a metal polish, and that's for the final finish, and you'll need something to get the grime off. So here I've got some steel wool. This is called SW100 steel wool. You can also use, but not necessarily, a wire brush, and I've also got an old toothbrush to get into the nooks and crannies if needed, and then I've got some white spirit to clean it off at the end. I've also got some water with some dish soap in it in case some grime needs to be removed, and also a rag comes in handy for buffing. Also you might need to use some sandpaper, so if you're going to use sandpaper, try to get the finest grit you can. Here is a P600 grit, very fine. I have another one here which is a P400 grit. You want to keep the grit nice and low because you don't want to be able to see all of the marks left by a higher grit sandpaper. You want that brass to look nice and smooth. So here is a hinge that I cleaned up earlier on. On the left here you can see it's nice and shiny. It almost has a mirror finish. You can take it further and further. If you keep buffing it more and more with the polish, you'll get it smoother and shinier and more reflective, but I think that's good enough for me. This is what it looked like originally. So age related wear and discoloration. So there are different stages. You've got the sort of general wear and tear brass hinge like here on the left, and then in the middle you've got the hinge that has general wear and tear, discoloration and a little bit of paint on it, and then you have the hinge that's covered in paint. So for this video we'll be looking at these two. Getting all the paint off a hinge will be for another video. With these ones you can get away with very light sandpaper and polishing compound. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to start with this hinge. I'm going to start with the 400 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to give it a quick wetting with the water and a little bit of dish soap, and that just helps to lubricate everything, makes it nice and smooth. So the good thing about these hinges is they're flat both sides, so you can work the sandpaper nice and flat to the metal. Okay, so that's the first stage complete. I've done the 400 grit. Now I'm going to go on to 600 grit and give it a quick going over just to smooth everything up. Okay, so now I've finished with the 400 and the 600 grit, so that's enough for the sanding. I'm just going to wipe any bits of dust off the hinge. So that's got the majority of all the discoloration, any pitting. It looks quite nice now. So now on to the final stages. I'm going to be using the steel wool. So what I'll do is break off a little piece like this, and then I'm going to give the hinge a good buffing with the steel wool. Right, so that's it with the steel wool. It's come out nice. It already looks pretty good. but now I'm going to go over it with the metal polish. So all you need to do is just add a little bit of this metal polish onto a rag. You don't need much. And then I'm going to go over it again and give it all a good buffing. And you can see immediately that black material there is a very small amount of the metal that's being removed. So now finally I'm just going to give it a clean off with a little bit of white spirit, and that will just remove any grime left over. Just put a little tiny bit on a rag and give it a quick wiping over. You might get some grime in the screw holes where the countersunk parts of the screws go, but if you think about it, when the screws go in there, it'll be completely covered anyway. You could just get a toothbrush and clean out the screw holes, get the bits out if you want, but as I say, they'll be completely covered when the door is on. And that's the last remnants of the metal on the surface that's been removed by the polishing compound. And that is the hinge already. So there we have a nice, clean, fresh set of brass hinges ready to be put on a door. They look pretty much as good as new, and it didn't take too long at all. And as I said earlier, this method will work on hinges with light paint on. That should come off with the fine sandpaper, no problem at all, and you should get a very similar result. Okay, so that's about it for this video then. So as you saw, you can quickly restore a brass hinge back to pretty much like new, just like this one here, with minimal effort. It doesn't take too long to do, probably 15 minutes per hinge at the most, and you can get really good results. You might think that the hinge looks old, why not buy a new one? But you'd be surprised how quickly you can make a hinge look like new again. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.